So if there's one thing that Land Rover do very, very well is they make a great looking car. Partner that with the engine which you would want, which is a D300, the spec in a dynamic SE, and the way it drives, you've got a very, very nice family SUV. This is a Discovery D300 Dynamic SE, finished in Fuji White, that dynamic option giving you the black contrasting badges, the grille surround the accent. You've also got the contrasting roof and mirrors as well, so it's got that nice white and black colour scheme. It's also got some further options on the interior and the sliding panoramic roof, which for me on a car like this is just the finishing touches you require. It's done just over 9,000 miles, been very well kept. They've got a lovely, good looking front end on a Discovery. You've got that nice swooping Range Rover look that you get. LED lights, I've already mentioned the gloss black accents, and then that just continues down the side. So you've got the wheel arches contrasting, upgraded 21s in a two-tones. If you see these in the flesh, you've got a darker satin grey, chrome diamond cut edge, just a really good looking wheel, and that just continues throughout the full car. Sliding sunroof, but you've also got black roof rails as an option as well. These are a family SUV, so if you need to put things on them, roof boxes, etc., you've already got that. For me, the big win on this one is the interior. I love a contrasting interior. I'm sick of seeing black leather all the time, so on this you've got ebony and ivory, giving you a nice contrast. So if you're not a lover of one or the other, then you've got both combined there, Napa leather, and you've also got heated seats in the front. Huge space in the back as well, so if you just want to use it as a 5-seater, you've got a huge boot space. Obviously what you do have when you get to the boot is you've got the 7-seat option. Dual tailgate comes down, so it just makes it a little bit easier for load access. If you do want to put these flat, it's really straightforward. You've got charging sockets and adaptive air suspension as well, which you can just control from the back. Literally just one pull, and then you're left with a huge load space. If you do want to change the air suspension again, just pop it from the back, and then when it comes to the power tailgate, press that. The air suspension for me can be a great point for several reasons. The one I would use, because I've got slightly bigger dogs, if you need to lower it down to get the dogs in, suitcase in, whatever it is, you can just do that straight from the back. Comfort access, so you can just get straight in, and again, that colour scheme just continues all the way. If you take in the door cards, you'll notice the Meridian sound system as well. So for me, that ivory leather just brightens up the full interior, and then when you jump in, I'll show you the difference it makes to having that sliding sunroof. A lot of them come with a fixed roof, but for me, especially on a day like today, you might as well have one that opens. So if you press that button back, you've also got a dual visor as well. Big one for me, if you've got kids in the back, instead of them being blinded with the sun, leave their visor shut, yours open. Everyone's a winner. Just under 10,000 miles. So again, hardly any miles in a 73 plate. You'll have manufacturer's warranty from 3 years from date of registration, so well into 2026. Huge tablet screen, dead straightforward to use. You've also got a digital display, speedo, etc. on this. Steering wheel has all your controls, your adaptive cruise, which for me is a great touch, especially if you're doing motorway driving, airports, whatever it is. Bang that on 70 and that'll just keep the distance nice and straightforward. Huge touchscreen's got your media, navigation, it also brings up your camera. Discovery is a slightly larger than normal car, but you've got 3D cameras, aerial view, everything you would need to help you park it. Dual zone climate, these seats, as good looking as what they are also heated. A big one for me as well, don't know whether it's just the way I sit, but they come with an armrest already, so if you are doing a lot of miles, especially motorway driving, you've got the huge screen in front of you, so plenty of visibility, nice comfort. These seats are unbelievably comfortable, electrically adjustable as well, so if you are a couple of you that are driving it amongst the family, you're not fighting over who's moved the seat. So plenty of space, plenty of tech, but for me it's just the way it looks, the way they drive, and obviously it's borderline new really. I mean, we see cars that come in and we've done 15,000 miles a year, 20,000 miles a year, it's only got 9,000 miles on it. Looks the part, drives great, and it's a D300, which I mentioned at the start, so plenty of power and plenty of pull. If you are interested, contact myself, the number's below, and I look forward to speaking to you.